fam, this is Jamie. I'm coming to you today again with another video. This time, first of all, if you see this outfit in another video, it's probably the same day. Okay, don't worry about it. I'm trying to kick these videos out for y'all. Anywho, so today is going to be a tour of my closets. I transformed my closet into my cute little office. So stay tuned and I'll give you a okay, this is entering the office. This is just going to be a quick pan around of the office. If you want me to go back and list items, which is not really that much, but I can tell you where I got things from and how much they cost. If you want to know that, let me know. And then you come in. This down here, girl, that's my little file cabinet. I gotta get some new little file folders. And then this is inside the office. How it looks from inside out. It's so cute. I just love sitting in here. It's so cozy. And there's no other room in my house that looks like this. One more tour. That's a picture of my little grandbabies down there. My little sweetie pies. So cute. So, that's just a little tour of my little office. Listen. Wendy's. Pink lemonade. Strawberry lemonade. Whatever you want to call it. Get it with no ice. Put it in the refrigerator. Let it get ice cold. This is everything. Nonetheless, this is my little office. I sit in here and get all my work done. So cute. So y'all let me know if you want to see a video of me breaking down the items, where I got things from. Some of this stuff, you watch my my Goodwill hauls. This stuff here I've already told you about. Anything came from the Goodwill, you already pretty much know. Anywho, I want y'all to have a good day. Remember, it costs nothing to smile. Always be nice. Okay? And have a good day. Bye-bye.